Hey guys, so I am testing a theory today. I just transferred one of those pigments that was sent to me by Just Pigments. I just transferred it from the original packaging to one of my little containers, and I had an idea. I was thinking about what happened in that video recently where that highlight changed color, and I thought, you know what? All this time I was thinking that you had to put the chameleons or the duochromes over a black base to get the shift, and I'm not sure that's necessarily true. So wow, that's a lot of pigment. Okay, so I think I used too much, but all right, I can already see the shift to a certain extent now. I just sprayed my brush with Milani Make It Last setting spray, and let's see what happens when I sprayed both sides of the brush, because I wanted to see if this would enhance the shift. Because when you just look at this powder by itself, it looks white. So I'm not sure that the black base is even necessary. Because I can see it without the black base. But let's see the difference. I love doing these like little science experiments. So this is my Maybelline Color Tattoo Cream Eyeshadow in Risk Maker, which is what I use under Multichromes and Duochromes to bring out the shift. So this is the way I would normally do it, but I'm not going to use that brush because that brush has the setting spray on it. Okay, so see, it does. You need the black base. I thought maybe we could just get away with using the setting spray. Now what happens if I wipe some of this brush that's soaked with setting spray on top? Let's only do it over half. Let's wipe over half here. Does it alter the color in any way? No, not really. So I'm not sure why that happened that day in the video where the highlighter got significantly darker when I sprayed it with my setting spray. But no, you can't get away with just setting spray. You definitely need to put these chameleons and duochromes over a black base if you really want to bring out the color. Okay, so those are the results of my little science experiment.